In today's video, I will be discussing the differences between Kirkland Diapers and Honest Diapers. I aim to provide a comprehensive comparison to help viewers determine which option is better suited for their needs. The primary distinction lies in the cost. Kirkland Diapers sizes 1 and 2 cost $41. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. $99 $192 and 174 diapers respectively, while sizes 3 to 6 cost $51.99 198, 180, 180, 150, and 150 and 120 diapers. This translates to a cost range of 21 to 43 cents per diaper. On the other hand, Honest diaper prices are constant for all sizes, but the number of diapers varies. Their daytime diapers cost $59.99 $9.90 to 175 diapers per box, equating to 34 to 66 per diaper. However, their overnight diapers range from $23.48 $829.99 $9.42 to 60 diapers per box, which amounts to 39 to 56 cents per diaper. Therefore, Kirkland diapers are more affordable overall. When it comes to size inclusivity, Kirkland provides a limited range of diaper sizes from 1 to 6. On the other hand, Honest offers a wider variety, with daytime diapers ranging from size N to 7 and overnight diapers from size 3 to 6. Consequently, Honest offers more diaper options to accommodate babies of different weights. Regarding absorbency, Kirkland diapers are highly absorbent and keep the baby's skin dry. They contain 3 layers: an absorbent core layer made of super absorbent polymer, a surge or wetness lock layer, and a breathable outer cover. Due to this layering, Kirkland diapers can hold urine for up to 14 hours without leaking. In contrast, Honest diapers only have 2 layers: an absorbent inner layer and a waterproof outer layer, and can hold urine for only 10 hours. Therefore, Kirkland diapers are more absorbent and keep the baby's skin dry for longer periods. Despite these differences, both Honest and Kirkland do not deliver to Hawaii, Alaska, or APO addresses, and they both provide a variety of other baby products. In conclusion, while I appreciate the different diaper prints offered by Honest, my personal preference leans towards Kirkland diapers. I choose them as the better option because they are more affordable, packed in bulk for longer use before repurchasing, and highly absorbent, keeping the baby's skin dry for extended periods. I encourage viewers to explore the products through the links provided in the description.